Sunday's precise and important news. Use of Afghan airspace is increasing, says Ministry of Transport and Civil Aviation. Afghanistan's Ministry of Transport and Civil Aviation of Afghanistan says that the number of flights passing through Afghanistan's airspace has increased compared to the past 6 months. The tariffs on essential food items have been reduced. A spokesman for the Ministry of Finance, Ahmad Wali Hakmal, says that considering the rise in prices of goods and poor economic conditions, the tariffs on essential food items have been reduced 50 to 70%. Afghan businessmen in UAE met with Afghanistan's consulate officials in Dubai. Head of the Afghan Business Council in the UAE met with Afghanistan's consulate official in Dubai and shared with them the challenges facing Afghan investors and called for the establishment of a fund to help people in need in Afghanistan. In response, the Afghan Council assured them of full cooperation. Kandahar Municipal Department collects over 400 million Afghanis. The officials of the Kandahar Municipal Department said that they have collected 447 million Afghanis in revenue from the beginning of the current fiscal year 1401 till the 11th month of this year. Supreme Leader of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan issues a decree regarding the ban on government officials from participating in the procurement in contracts. The leader of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, esteemed Amir al-Mu'mineen Sheikh Hibatullah Akhundzada, has banned government officials from participating in the procurement in contracts of ministries and institutions. The Supreme Leader of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan orders to destroy narcotic drugs. Honorable Amir al-Mu'mineen Sheikh al-Hadith Hibatullah Akhundzada, the Supreme Leader of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, has issued a decree ordering to destroy narcotic drugs and the materials and equipment used in these drugs.